When you're running a business, and especially when you're starting a new one of the most important decisions you'll have to make is where you're going to keep and manage all that money you're going to make. The first time I ever opened a business bank account, I did what most people do. I walked into the same bank where I had my personal bank account and I set one up there. It seemed like the logical move, but I found out pretty quickly that most traditional banks, including the big well-known names you've known your whole life, do a pretty terrible job of providing a convenient, low-cost money management platform with a mobile app that actually works well. And if you do find one that checks those boxes, there's a good chance they're going to nickel and dime you with monthly fees and minimum balance requirements and a pretty painful process every time you want to open a new account. That was my experience anyway, and it was frustrating enough that I started looking for something better, and that's how I found Relay. So what exactly is Relay? Relay is a business banking and money management platform built specifically for small businesses. It's designed to give you a clear, real-time picture of what you're earning, what you're spending, and what you're saving. And the key thing to understand is that Relay itself isn't actually a bank in the traditional sense. It's a banking platform, and the actual bank operating behind it is Thread Bank, which is where your money actually sits. With Relay, everything is operated online. There are no physical branches anywhere, which might sound like a drawback, but in practice, it's actually what makes the platform so clean and easy to use. I don't know about you, but when I think back on every time I've visited a bank branch over the past 5 years, all of those times were because the bank was too slow and clunky and they hadn't figured out a more convenient way for me to do what I was trying to do without having to leave home. And that's what Relay has figured out. I've been using Relay for 2 of my businesses, and the day-to-day experience is genuinely better than anything at a traditional bank. Now, let me walk you through what Relay actually lets you do and why it's kind of a unique thing in the banking world. And also, just a quick heads up, REtipster does have an affiliate link if you go to retipster.com/relay. And if you sign up through that link and deposit $100 into your new Relay account, you'll get a $50 bonus added to that account for free. So if you're going to do this anyway, you might as well get some free money along the way, right? And you can only get that deal if you sign up through that link. It's also beneath this video. So if you're interested, be sure to check it out. Free money is always a good thing, right? So one of the features I love about Relay is the ability to open up to 20 separate checking accounts and have 2 savings accounts all within one login. And let me just say, this is not a complicated, paperwork-heavy process. You can literally spin up a new account in a matter of seconds, and if you manage multiple properties or multiple revenue streams, this is a pretty huge deal. Instead of one big account where everything gets muddled together, you can have a dedicated account for each thing that you're trying to track. It makes bookkeeping a lot easier. And if you're familiar with the Profit First system from Mike Michalowicz, Relay was basically built for that. It's a percentage-based automation tool that makes it really easy to automatically allocate a portion of your income to different accounts on a regular schedule. And let me just say, I've tried to set up similar automations with other banks in the past, and it literally took me over an hour in a physical visit to a bank and a mountain of paperwork. And even after all that, I still couldn't do this very basic automation that Relay allows you to set up in seconds. Another thing worth mentioning here is something a lot of people don't expect from an online-only banking platform, and that is checkbooks. So Relay account holders can now order a physical checkbook and write paper checks. For some types of businesses, this doesn't really matter at all because they don't use physical checks like this, but for other types of businesses, this is a huge deal. And there are still plenty of vendors and contractors and landlords out there who prefer or even require a physical check. And not being able to write one has been a real sticking point for people considering an online banking platform like Relay. And Relay has addressed that. So if you've been hesitant because you assumed that going online only meant you had to give up your checkbook, that's not the case anymore. Now, on the integration side, Relay connects directly with most of the major accounting software out there, including QuickBooks and Xero. It also integrates with Stripe and Gusto and PayPal and Plaid and several other platforms you're probably already using. For a lot of small business owners, that kind of seamless connection between your banking and your accounting platform saves a ton of time each month. And by the way, if you want to see exactly exactly what the Relay sign-up process looks like before you commit, I have a separate video where I walk through the entire process step by step. You'll see every screen, every question they ask, and exactly what to expect before your account is approved. So be sure to check that out if you're the kind of person who likes to know what you're getting into before you sign up. So this is actually not the first video I've made talking about Relay. I made one a couple years ago, and Relay has made a lot of changes and improvements since I made that video. One of those new improvements is invoicing. Invoicing is now built directly into Relay, so you can send invoices and get paid from right inside the platform, which is genuinely useful for any service-based business. Also, credit cards are now available through Relay, and I do want to be straightforward with you on this. As of now, these are invitation only, so not every account holder is going to have immediate access to this. And also, depending on what you want and need in a credit card, Relay's option may not even make the most sense for you, but either way, it's worth knowing that this option exists now and it didn't before. Also, pricing tiers have been updated. There's still a starter version of Relay that includes a strong set of features, including multiple checking accounts and automations and now invoicing, but there's also a couple of paid tiers that are optional that can unlock even more features for your business if it needs them. Now, one thing I want to be upfront about, because I was kind of caught off guard by this when I first started, when you open a new account, Relay will initially put some transfer limits in place. So there's basically a cap on how much you can send and receive per day. And this is actually pretty standard practice for online banking platforms like this. And the limits aren't crazy low. You can still have many thousands of dollars per day moving around. But if you know you're going to need higher limits, you can just request an increase and they'll typically approve it without much friction. But these default limits are worth mentioning. And on that note, customer service is available by phone as well as email, which is something I specifically looked for in a banking platform because a lot of these online only banking and money management platforms make it really difficult to actually talk to a human. And Relay's support team is actually based in Canada, where the company is headquartered in Toronto, even though all of their banking partners are US based. I've called their support number a few times over the years for various reasons, and they've always been able to help me solve my problems pretty quickly. Now, on the cash side, the fact that Relay has no physical branches does create some limitations if you run a cash-heavy business, like a restaurant or a retail store or something like that. But with that said, they do have access to all-point ATMs, and you can both withdraw and deposit cash at these all-point plus locations throughout the country. When I first looked into this, I kind of expected their network to be pretty thin, but it's actually more widespread than I thought. If you go to their website, you can see a map and you'll see for yourself, these things are all over the place. And if you're in or near a major metropolitan area, there's a good chance you're not that far from one. Now, what about non-US citizens and international business owners? This was actually one of the original reasons I started recommending Relay years ago. So if you are completely international and you want to set up a US-based account with Relay, you'll need to provide passport information and you'll also need to have a US registered business entity. And if your registered agent address is your EIN or employer identification number address, Relay is also going to ask for an operating address, which is basically just wherever you're actually running your business from physically. If that description fits you, just be prepared for that step in the process. So is Relay well reviewed by other existing customers? Well, Relay has been around since 2018, so this is not a new company that just opened up shop last year, but it's also not as established or widely known as major traditional banks. But in my firsthand experience, I've had a good enough experience to tell others that I think Relay is a good option to work with. I also know others in our community who are actively using it, and I've heard consistently good things about it, but that doesn't mean no one has ever had a bad experience with Relay. As is true with any business that actually has plenty of customers, you're inevitably going to find somebody out there who has not been happy with them. In my research, I came across some threads on Reddit and some review sites where some people were using like this really alarming language about Relay. And I want to quickly walk through what's actually happening in those situations, because I think a lot of it comes down to just a general awareness rather than Relay actually doing something wrong. So the first thing that trips people up is the structure of how Relay works. Again, Relay is not a bank. It's a banking platform. So your money actually sits with Thread Bank, which is their banking partner. And some people will discover this and get nervous or just uncomfortable, which I can understand, but this is not a red flag. This is just how most fintech banking platforms are set up, and your money is still FDIC insured through Thread Bank. So just know that Relay is the interface and Thread Bank is the actual bank. Now, another honest limitation worth mentioning, in case you still haven't gathered it from this video, is that, again, Relay is not a full-service bank. So if you're looking for commercial loans or home mortgages or home equity lines of credit, Relay doesn't offer those. If you're looking for that kind of product, you'd want to work with a traditional or local bank. Relay is best thought of as a solid money management and payments platform, but not a one-stop shop for every financial need a business might have. All right, so if you've made it this far, I'll mention one more time the special affiliate offer we have through the REtipster affiliate link, retipster.com/relay. You can also find that link beneath this video. And if you click through that link and deposit at least $100 into your new account, Relay will give you an extra $50 for free. So if you were going to open an account anyway, there's no reason not to use this link and grab that bonus, right? If Relay sounds like it fits what you're looking for, go ahead and click the link below and check it out. If you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon.